Hi there. Pincha Mayurasana and props. Okay, what are the common props that people use for Pincha Mayurasana? You can use a block, which I've been showing in most of the videos, and I believe in the card. You can also use a belt. Okay, a lot of times people will put a belt for some extra support just at the above the elbow there, at the upper arm, right? And it works in a way here so that it will disallow the elbow to splay out, right? It's keeping a bit of a container. Now, how do you determine if you need to use these props? Well, try with, try without, and then compare. Always like to think that each prop is like a teacher, right? It gives you a lesson. So if you do it once with the block, and then you do it once without the block, what's the difference? Why is one easier or harder? What can it teach you? So I wouldn't necessarily run for the prop all the time, but experiment a little bit. If your elbows are always splaying out, that's not good. For safety, I would put a belt on. I would keep something. But if you're able to pound the forearm bone down, and stay centered on the forearm bone, then what's the point of the belt? Is it teaching you something? Is it serving a purpose, or is it literally for decoration? Right? So when we play with props in our practice, I think we have to be mindful about it. We have to be reflective about it. So 2 cents there about props in Pincha Mayurasana. Chew on that. Enjoy. Namaste and happy practicing.